Hello, welcome to my video, and this is how to make a working door. So you can see that I've made a house, and this is also featuring Donnie748, and all you need to do is do that, and then you can press the certain number you find, and it works like that, but I haven't done it further enough, so I'm just gonna undo these and do this. So big enough hole, that means you can do this, and now that works. So yeah, that's how you do it. Muscle. There, I think. Yes. Yeah. Yep. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, two ways. Yes.